Google is not the only search engine nowadays in which people are searching their information. People are also searching their answer on AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity. The big question is that whether your website is coming up or not on these AI chatbots. That's where generative engine optimization works, and I will show you in this video how it works. The first step is create content that directly answer the queries of the people. AI content mainly focus on questions and answers, so make sure to add FAQ page on your website. Make sure to ask more questions on your website and add more content on it. Make sure to add questions in between everywhere and give answer to it in your website. Answer should be short and clear in 1 or 2 or maximum 3 sentences. Thing which you need to remember: use simple content with easy language. Avoid jargons using in your content and also avoid hard writing. AI prefer content which is useful and easy to read and understand with human explanation. Make sure to structure your content according to AI. Make sure to use heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Like this, properly structure your content for AI chatbot. For example, you can simply write the problem like laptop error, and then you can give solution like solution 1, solution 2, solution 3 in a simpler way. Also summarize your content at the end. The next step is to publish authoritative content on your website. Make sure to share your experience and expertise every time you share your content. Herein Google's E comes in, where you can share your experience, expertise. For example, you can write like my experience of experiencing or using computers under 30,000 rupees. AI also like personal case studies, so make sure to add your personal case stories as well. Make sure to build topical authority. Pick a niche and create a lot of content around it. For example, if your website is for tech, then you can create so many content on website fixes, laptop fixes, app fixes. Make sure to add schema markup. This is useful for structured data. Also use FAQ schema and article schema. Schema always help AI to understand your content properly. You can use tool like schema markup generator. You can also focus on sources AI trust. AI mainly get content from Wikipedia, YouTube and blogs, news sites. So they take reference from such sites. You can get guest posts and publish your content on industry sites. Make sure to update your content regularly. AI always prefer fresh content. Make sure to create a blog page and upload blogs on your site regularly. Use multimedia always. You can add photographs, posters, and you can add infographics on your website. Perplexity AI use images from YouTube as well or articles as well, so make sure to add images on your content regularly. You can also test in AI engines. After publishing your content, you can ask AI to check your content. So I hope friends, now you will be able to use this generative engine optimization and search your brand or website on AI chatbots. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.